Thank you very much for your patience and a warm, warm welcome to Crossword. Well, today we're gathered for a very, very encouraging book that's going to be launched amidst all of us. Labyrinth Short Stories by Litizen.com. A round of applause for all the contributing authors to this book. Well, before we start off, a very, very special welcome to all the people present here among us. I think to be taking time off on a weekday to be present here at a time like this with Bombay's traffic, I think is quite a challenge in itself. And the very presence that you all have acknowledged by being here with us shows us that the support that you have extended out to all these budding authors. Well, to launch the book today and of course to talk about it, we have the authors present themselves, but we have two very, very special people amongst us today. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Shobha Dey. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here with us. And Mr. K.K. Maheshwari, thank you so much, sir, for being here today with us. Well, I will not be talking too much about the book because that's what the team is here to do. But just to give the people present here a very short synopsis again about Litizen.com and Labyrinth. It's a group based in Mumbai of writers which meets fortnightly to discuss their writings. Initiated by Rishabh Chaturvedi about a year back, in its early days, ladies and gentlemen, Rishabh right there. Well, these meets saw attendance of not more than 2 or 3 writers, but however, during a longer period of time, more writers came to join the book, and finally, in the last meet that it conducted, there were about 60 writers. I think that's really, really, really encouraging, because the purpose of creating this entire group was twofold. You meet fellow authors and get feedback to improve their own writing, and most importantly to in fact get a dedicated base of audience which is as keen to read the stories as is the author to write them. So I think today on this special occasion that we are here to launch about the books and individually felicitate each of the authors who've contributed to it, I think we couldn't have chosen two better personalities to being here amongst us. So without any further ado, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to ask Rishabh to say a few words, talk about the entire initiative and how it came into being, and thereon we'll move forward. Rishabh.
Thank you. First of all, thank you for coming. It's a weekday and it's monsoon, and still you all have taken time out to come here and hear us talk. That's very, very encouraging. We already have like a brief introduction of what Litizen does and what the group was created for. But if I just step back and think about it, this all started when I was still a practicing chartered accountant, and I was in those corridors of income tax offices, and there were these ideas which would keep coming into my mind, and they would just be they'd just be ideas, and I'd write a bit about it, and they'd come to a stumbling block. And that's the reason why I created Litizen and the Short Story Writers Group. It was basically a need to find a mind more creative than mine own, with whom I could bounce off these ideas and get a better feedback or something. And that's how it all started. I always had this thing of getting into publishing or to come out with a book of short stories. I did not really imagine that this first step which I was taking of creating a group of authors would eventually lead me to publish this book. And today when I'm here and I see so many people, it feels like a big thing today.
It absolutely is, Rishabh, and we wish you all the very best. Is there something more that you'd like to say about the entire experience altogether?
Yeah, I mean, it's been very interesting. Like the first time, like you said, we were just like 2 authors, and we were at this cafe, and we were just like wondering that why didn't others turn up? Around like 10, 15, I'd say they'd come up, and it was just like the 2 of us. And yeah, it's been like a very interesting journey since then to now.
Well, thank you very much, Rishabh. And I think on that note, before we do more of talking, let's unveil the book for everybody present here. So, ma'am, sir, if you all could kindly unveil the copy for us right there, sir. That's your copy. And ladies and gentlemen, please give these budding young authors an encouraging round of applause. We have an amazing collection of shots to please be a part of the photo ops as well. Well, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause for Litizen.com, their book of short stories, Labyrinth.